project is unarguably an engineering wonder. Instead of constructing it along with the river flow, it is being taken up between the two hillocks besides the river. Normally, irrigation projects are constructed in the direction of river flow. In contrary to that, Polavaram project is being constructed beside the river. A spillway with radial gates constructed beside the river and an earth-cum-rockfill dam with heavy stones, soil and concrete taken up along the river flow. These works have gained momentum after Mega Engineering took up the project works. There are three main components in the construction of the Polavaram project: reservoir, spillway and electric power generating unit. While the reservoir stores the water, spillway is used for releasing water from the reservoir. The reservoir has two canals, left and right. Water will be channeled through these two canals. What is there in reservoir bund? Diaphragm wall. It is a concrete wall constructed in the center part of the river, almost 300 feet beneath the river, that prevents leakage of water from the reservoir. Earth-cum-rockfill dam will be constructed on both sides of this diaphragm wall. While initiating works for the main dam, a temporary structure, coffer dam, constructed to prevent the obstruction with the river flow. Construction of the biggest spillway. The spillway is the main critical part of the Polavaram project that constructed in between the two hillocks, all along with a length of 1,128 meters. It is indeed a Herculean task. There will be deep digging in the soil until hard rock found, and then this rock is further dug deep for constructing a concrete structure. Thus, the spillway will be constructed with a height of 55 meters and 48 radial gates would be fitted to the structure. It is being constructed to withstand even a flood flow of 50 lakhs cusics water. Why spillway is the right side in between the hillocks? For constructing a spillway and the river flow, usually digging done up to 100 meters beneath the river until the hard rock found. It means digging is to be done for a depth of almost 300 feet under the river. Such an extent of digging incurs huge costs and quite a difficult task to take up. Keeping this in mind, the spillway is being constructed besides the river flow in between two hillocks. Here, the hard rock was found just 20 meters, that is 60 feet below the river, between these two hillocks. Hence, it is convenient and suitable for the construction of the spillway bridge. It is considered being the biggest spillway in the entire world. China's Three Gorges Dam has a flood discharge capacity of 47 lakhs cusics, while the spillway of Polavaram can discharge up to 50 lakhs cusics of flood flow. Do you know the sand depth from where the concrete wall constructed? Coffer dams are to be constructed in the upper and lower reaches, and the earth-cum-rockfill dam is constructed. For this, digging to be done in the river till the hard rock found. From there, work would be done to harden the soil and a concrete wall would construct at 95 meters deep in the sand. On this wall, an earth-cum-rockfill dam would be constructed with heavy stones to 53 meters.